Hi, Cole from Kooima Ag here. We're going to be talking about some John Deere disc mower parts. Some customers have been requesting these, so we found a good manufacturer, and then we're going to start making these too. Over here we have your rot guards. So this is the right hand one and the left hand one, and then your skid plate. This is for the 6 series disc mowers and windrowers and mower conditioners. Next we'll get into your turtles. So on your turtle here we have the crop lifter as an option. So this is going to be a counterclockwise rotation lifter, or we have the other option. We have the knife down here. We have your knife bolt on the bottom side down there, and then supposed to have a spacer in there, and then the guard and the nut, and then we have our blades as well. So these are going to be your 10-degree blades, which are going to get not as close to the ground, used in more of the rocky conditions, that kind of stuff, so it doesn't get so close to the ground. Otherwise we do have 18-degree blades here. That's going to be used the majority of the time. They help throw it into the conditioners, lift it up a little more, get a little closer to the ground. We do have the lifters for the clockwise and counterclockwise rotation, so one on each side. We do have this turtle with a stripper on it. So this is going to go on your outside ends. It helps improve the crop flow, and it pushes it into the conditioner a little better, so it helps you cut a little easier. Next we get into your hubs. So we have the left-hand hub for the left-hand side, and then the driver hub for the rest of them, and the right-hand side here. They do come complete with bolts. Next we have the turtle. So this is the turtle that uses for coon as well, and then also some gales use the same turtle. This does not replace the HD turtle though. So, and then over here we have some of your various skid plates or gauge shoes that we have in stock for your various models. So keep checking our website, check our catalog, Kooima Ag, 800-522-8874. Thank you.